Hello children, welcome back to the new video. So today I am going to make a tumbler toy. So to make that we need a piece of paper, a sellotape, a ball bearing or a metal ball and a scissor. You can also use marble in place of this ball. So let's get started. So now according to the size of my ball, I am going to fold this paper and then I'll repeat the same process for 4 times in this way. So now you can see that I have formed a square by folding my papers. Now what I am going to do is I will cover this side. I will stick this side with the help of sellotape. So let's do that. So now you can see that I have fixed it with the help of sellotape. Now what I am going to do, I will take a scissor and I am going to make a 3 slits each side in this way. 1, 2 and then 3. And then I will select any one of the side and I will cut that out. Now you can see that I have taken out that part. Now I will take the opposite side and I am going to turn it in this way and then I'll stick it here with the help of sellotape. So let's do that. So now you can see that I have sticked with the sellotape. Now what I'm going to do, the extra part from the 2 other side, I'm going to cut it in this shape. So let's do that. So now you can see what I have done. Now I'm going to repeat the same part here as well. So you can see here that I have cut my paper. The very important thing that you should remember is you have to first insert the bearing inside or the marble or anything that you use to put it inside and then you continue with your work. So now I have repeated the same process over here. So now let's test. As I'm turning it, let's quickly understand the science behind this activity. Now the gravity is pulling the ball inside the toy, causing it to roll down to the inclined plane. Now as the ball is rolling down inside of this tumbler toy, it picks up the speed, gaining the momentum. As it reaches the end of its toy, it impacts the lower end with the force. This force is great enough and has enough energy to lift the opposite end of the tumbler toy. This impact begins rotating of the toy, causing the another end to rotate down of the inclined plane, allowing the ball to again roll forward, repeating the process.